In this video, I will show you the easiest way to get Nitro. But before that, only a few members have subscribed. Make sure to subscribe after watching this video. It helps the channel to get into algorithm. Now, many people talk about what VPN I use in the comment. Here, I use Urban VPN extension. Unfortunately, it's not on Chrome Web Store. You need to type the name in Google and just get it from its website. After downloading, just enable the VPN and change your location to the United States. I repeat United States, and then refresh your Discord page. 2 new quests will appear here. For this one, you require to do it in your phone. This is a phone quest. The second quest is from Peacock, the Copenhagen test. You can do it here on PC. There we have it. A total of 2 quests have given you 1,400 orbs. If you go to Orbs exclusive page, you can see that the 3 days Nitro only cost 1,400 orbs. I mean, think about it. You don't need to add payment method. Just get it from here. It's pretty cool. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.